Alright, see that rock right there? Right past the Joshua tree? That's the one I'm going to climb. Alright, so I decided to hike up this cliff face of a boulder with nothing but my panda hat and the stuff I bought from the thrift store. It was pretty steep, I'm not going to lie. Check this out. Woo! Prime spot. Yes, I like to work out in weird spots. And then I met up with my buddy Sean. We were adventuring together. Bo G, doing our first bouldering exercise. There he is. He was pretty freaked out by the first boulder. But he got through it like a champion. How do you feel?
That was a little scary.
And the rest was a breeze from there. We checked out these little anchors, which were places where people used ropes to get up, but all we used was our feet. And then I found this. Bro, it's a freaking cave. Got through the cave, nicely done. Now it's Sean's turn. Not too bad?
Not too bad.
Oh, second one's a breeze. Boop! Here we are, both together, conquered the boulder. 10 minutes I put on this cap. I capped it at 10 minutes. We're gonna make it up there. Woo! Okay, so I'm rushing to catch the sunset. Sean and I want to see a sunset from a different spot, and here we are.
For the beautiful.
What a beautiful sunset. Oh!
Hey guys, it's 6:30 in the morning, and check out Sleeping Beauty.
There's Sleeping Beauty. Joshua Tree, California. And if you'd like to see any of our other adventures, just click below.